So from the video title, I'm going to be walking you through everything you need to know, right? So let's say you created a group and you wouldn't love people to save some content, right, from the group. Ensure you watch this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Head over to your Telegram account. I want to show you all what you need to do. Head over to your Telegram, or this your Telegram account. So this is basically a testing group, right? And if you'd love to restrict some, like restrict people from saving contents on your group, click on this, right? Click on this arrow icon, click on this group type private. Right here you can see this, right? Members will be able to copy, save, or forward content from this group. Click on it, turn it on. Once you have turned it on, I don't think anyone can forward, save, or copy messages from this channel, from this group, sorry. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.